Nathan and I are down at the Coffs Harbour Jetty, and we've got the magnet with us. We're going to go chuck it in down in the water here and see what we can find. It's a popular swimming area. Kids always jumping off the jetty there, so who knows. So we've had a ton of rain here the last couple of days, but right now it's looking pretty damn nice down here at the jetty. First cast of the day. Alright, don't get it tangled up, mate. Clean, mate. Beautiful day for it. Let us know in the comments if you think we're going to find anything. It's first cast and nothing. Pretty clean so far. Feel anything easy? Yeah. Seaweed, mate. Let's check it over there. It's pretty clean. Second cast, nothing. You got a seaweed magnet. He's been working his butt off here and he keeps on coming up empty-handed, so we might have to go and try someplace else. I'm thinking that maybe the marina might be the go, in where all the boats moor up. A couple more casts here, Ethan, I reckon. I'll have a go, see if I got any better luck. Too much and probably just washes stuff away. Yeah, I would reckon. There's probably a corner in this harbour somewhere where there's a whole heap of bones and thing's stuck. I got a good feeling about that cast, Ethy.
Yeah.
Oh. Damn it.
Fuck.
I'm on something and it's like I can't move it.
What do you mean?
I'm on something and I can't move it. It's like stuck.
Are you serious?
Okay. We are stuck on something there so hard. Oh, jeez. Something down there. Well, there's something there. I don't know what it is. Probably someone's bike or something.
Yeah.
I get stuck on the nuts on that. Oh, should we do that again?
Again?
Yeah, over there somewhere. Oh. Yeah, there was something big and heavy down there. And it did not want to move. Just like I could pull the here it is. I've got it again. Here you go. You have a go. Easy's gonna see this. See if he can pull it off. Couple muscles. It's tight. It's hard, isn't it? You haven't spent enough time in the gym, mate. Something heavy down there. Yeah. Give us another go. I'll see if I can get it off. Yeah. Hold that. It's hard, I cannot get it. He's stuck solid, that one.
And I just like,
Hey?
got it stuck for good then.
We might have to go up and then see if we can pull it out that way.
I was watching.
Hello?
Last night. Now we might check what was that?
Some,
Because I was talking we should do some metal fishing here.
yeah, it's a magnet, yeah. Magnet fishing, yeah.
Have you got anything good?
No, nothing at all. It's been really clean, but we've just hit something down here and I can't get the damn thing off. It's yeah, it's something big in the water. So we had no luck there whatsoever, hey Ethy? So we're got a huge snag there at the end. I nearly thought I was going to lose the magnet there for a minute, but luckily I got it off. So we're going to go try over in that marina and see if we have any better luck over there. First cast in the marina, come on Ethy. Hey? No? What you got, mate? Is that like an old hook?
Maybe.
Yeah. That's a bit of an old hook. What's that on the side there? Just there. A bit of old metal. Throw those in the bucket. I'll get out of your road. Bottle cap. Hey, you got something.
Alright.
Finally. Such an awesome find too, Ethan, that one. Big fishing hook. Oh, that is a big hook. Dang. Cool. Second find of the day, bottle cap fishing hook. We're winning, mate. Oh, metal hook. There we go, starting to find a few things. Just a hook, nothing else.
Just a hook.
No, just a hook. Nothing. So we are done. We had a heap of casts. Not much joy, hey Ethy?
No.
Nah, pretty clean down here in Coffs, unfortunately, for us. But yeah, it's a beautiful day, but maybe next time we'll have to find a spot where there's a bit more treasure to find.
Yep.
A couple of rusty hooks. That was about it. And a bottle cap.
Yep.
Yep. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. See you guys.